What's up, everybody? This is my 2024 Honda CRF 250RX, and today I'm going to do my first oil change on it to my power sports store, and I just picked up some GN4 motor oil, and it is 10W30, and they went ahead and got my oil filter for me too. Alright guys, so first step is we need to get the bike up to about operating temperature. That way we can go ahead and let the oil drain out properly. Alright guys, now since we got our bike warmed up, we need to go ahead and get it off our stand because our oil drain plug is actually located right at the bottom of our engine. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so right here, this is our drain plug right here. So you want to go ahead and remove this and have your oil pan right below it, because as soon as you take this off, oil is going to start coming out. Loosen that. Oh yeah. I'm going to then undo these two bolts right here and then pull out my oil filter. And then once that's all pulled out, I'm going to then pull this tray forward a little bit, and then I'm going to tip the bike all the way where all of the oil inside here can drain out properly too. Pull that all back. We got our oil filter all taken out. So let's go ahead and pull the bike towards us and make sure your pan's right here to get all this oil that's in that little filter spot all drained out. Alright guys. So after you inspect your oil, you want to go ahead and make sure you wipe this out with like a non-microfiber type towel or like a shop rag, and then you'll actually want to grab your spring out of there too. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's install it. You do want to add a little bit of grease right inside here and then put your spring on there. Kind of just helps it stay in there. And you can just guide it right on nice and easy. And then you want to make sure this part that says outside is facing, obviously, the outside towards you. So let's go ahead and get that started. So I'm just taking a little bit of grease, wipe off that excess. That way it's all cleaned up like that. Spring, going to put it on just like that. Go ahead and grab your end right here. And you want to just gradually put it on like that. And then, so once you have your air filter and your spring on, you want to go ahead and just guide it on there. And you don't want to pinch it or anything like that. Just make sure it's just nice and lined up. Alright guys, so we went ahead and we took out our drain plug, drained our oil, took out our oil filter, disassembled all that, cleaned it up, lubed up our end, stuck in our spring and our new air filter. Got that all tightened up. Now I need to put in our plug. So let's get this back in. Make sure you just wipe off any of that oil that leaked possibly on like your frame or anything like that. Alright guys, so I got 1 quart in there. So let's go ahead and put this on in our bike. So this little funnel actually works out pretty good for oil changes on the bike. The little nozzle was like perfect size for the pour hole, so worked out pretty good. I still need to add in a little bit more oil because that was only 1 quart. Go ahead and put our cap back on. Now you're going to want to tip your bike over, and you have your sight glass right here. So you want to make sure everything is about level. So as you can see, we are right on the full. We did a good job, guys. All right, guys. So we got our oil changed and we got a brand new filter in. We got everything back to normal. Now it's time to start the bike. So let's go ahead and get it started. So that's how you change the oil and the oil filter on your brand new 2024 Honda CRF 250RX. If you guys want to see some more maintenance videos in the future, just hit that like and subscribe button. I'll have a bunch more coming with this bike. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks.